Hello everybody, welcome to part 1 on the Little Live Pets bird unboxing, and I just wanted to say part 1 is going to be the story and the unboxing, but I'm not too sure which bird is what because I've got two little parcels here. So I'm going to start off with let's see, this one right there. And the other one will be in a separate video. So let's get this one out. Have a little look. Wow, this one's beautiful. Look at this one. So this one is Snowflake, and I don't have a bird in this build, and I really like the build because it's different. So if you don't get what I mean by that, most of the birds are like this one. And this one, obviously, as you can see, is a bit different. And I also do have another bird which is like this. And some of them come with cool little hairdos, things like that. But I just thought that this one's such a cool build, and I love the beak on this one. And yeah, I paid more than the normal price for this, but I could not find it absolutely anywhere. So this is Snowflake, and I just love anything that's kind of blue and white, wintry type things. I love stuff like that. So this one is called Snowflake. See if it has any batteries. It does have batteries. Look how cute that is. I love that beak. It's different and I love it so much. But yeah, this was up for £10, $2.90 postage. I'd been watching it for a bit, and I made a couple of offers. I think I made an offer for £4, they come back with 8.
Hey, good looking.
And then I made an offer for 6, and they come back with 9 because they had another seller that was, you know, after it for, I think it was £8, she said. But yeah, so I paid £9, $2.90 postage, which is a little bit expensive obviously because I could get a brand new bird for cheaper than that probably, but I haven't seen it anywhere else and it's just so beautiful. There we go. So that is Snowflake. I will see you in part 2.